took him from me, did you? And I can't save Dorian. Is that what you want me to believe? After all you've done to me? And to him? You're not a lie, but you're a liar! You crawled into me to confuse me and deceive me. But I know it. I know you have him.
तूने वो बता हसीन दिलरुबा देख ली क्या?
That's what you want, isn't it?
उसका सेकंड पार्ट आ रहा है 8 तारीख को नेटफ्लिक्स पे.
Take it. I'll be a slave for you.
उसका पागला गया भाई.
I'll fight with you at Ragnarok. If you release him.
मेरे पास सारे हैं. हेलो सुन रहे हैं? ये नेटफ्लिक्स को हटा के क्रंचीरोल, Amazon Prime, Hotstar, ये सारे हैं. तेरे को चाहिए तो बता दूँगा.
No fear. No hate. No quest. Nothing.
कभी
You will have no power over me.
I learned the hard way to not be afraid of death, Senua. Because a life without loss is one without love. You turn your back on death, and all you can see is the shadow that it casts. The longer you hide from it, the longer the shadow grows until all you can see is darkness. When our time comes, we must look death in the eye and embrace it as a friend. Only then can we let go of our fear. And emerge from our darkness.
Never forget what it is like to see the world as a child, Senua. Every autumn leaf is like a work of art. Every rolling cloud a moving picture. Every day a new story. We too emerge from this magic, like a wave from the ocean, only to return to the sea. Do not mourn the waves, the leaves and the clouds. Even in darkness, the wonder and the beauty of this world never leaves us. It is always there, waiting to be seen again.
Is that? Oh no. Oh, it's the rot. The darkness is back. The darkness is back. Wait, wait, wait. What is it? It feels. It's different. It feels. It's okay. Is it okay?
This is where my story once began. And so it has to end here,
It's changed.
because I cannot see further than this.
Follow us. We have another story to tell.
My friend, go with her. This now will be your story to